As I said in my explanation, I said in schools in Uganda we have disciplinary committees, which are part of teachers. They are formed amongst the teachers to handle children with
Teachers.
difficult behavior. Teachers, yes, they handle children with deviant behaviors. But when you go out to communities, children are basically handled by their parents or relatives. That is all that I can tell you about social media. However, we have organizations which have social workers working in communities, especially NGOs. But also those social workers are majorly doing development work in communities. But with the discipline in children is instilled by parents or very close relatives.
Yeah, I think I dropped out because of some network issue. But I wanted to bring you back to that presentation. I'm glad that you are at least contributing. Models of school social work practice. Just give me 1 minute. Some crisis has happened, I think. 1 minute. Dropped out. I was trying to share that screen. Again, I'm checking whether it is possible. Window. No. Cancel. So, models of social work practice I wanted to continue with. But there is a dropout. Give me 1 minute. I'm trying to see what happened to that presentation which I had sharing with you. Otherwise, I will read from the presentation Models of Social Work Practice. The historical development of School of Social Work. The historical development of school social work has given us a glimpse of the tasks performed by social workers in schools. The focus of social work service differs in accordance with the type of school, the target population, and emerging social challenges. As a result, school social work service has evolved into different models. Models imply the theoretical aspect, and models of school social work have been proposed, which we need to understand. So, the first is the traditional clinical model. This is a widely applied model in school social work. It focuses on individual student and the school and the emotional problems that block attainment of the potential of the student. Its goal is to enable students to make optimum use of school experience. The school is considered faultless, and the individual student is expected to adjust to the conditions prevalent in school. It mainly focuses on dysfunctional conditions in school, its policies and practices. That's why we were talking of deviant behavior. It encourages changes in school that are seen as causing students malperformance or dysfunctional behavior. The school social work program has some features of this model. The school readiness program and recreation programs undertaken by social workers are also examples of the traditional clinical model. Right? Now, the second model is community school model. This model favors school community relationship. That means what I was just talking to you about. The favors the community and the school relationship through the outreach program. Through the outreach program, which I was talking to you about a little while ago, which I undertook in collaboration with Helpage India, that was called community school model. This model favors close school community relationship or partnership. It aims to develop school programs to assist disadvantaged students. The social worker attempts to alleviate or reduce the community conditions of deprivation which hinder the learning of the disadvantaged students. It is suitable to deal with problems such as juvenile delinquency or high dropout rates. The social work program of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai and many schools in Delhi have features of this model as well. The organization of study classes, non formal education, and appointment of paraprofessionals are examples in this direction. Also included in this community school model are community outreach programs, which I gave you the example of just now. So we are discussing concepts, examples, and then linking it with theory. Okay. Now, the third model is known as social interaction model. Social interaction model views students as part of various social systems. What are the social systems? Those social systems are school, family, community. All of these social systems interact with each other and need each other for their survival. The main role of the social worker is to facilitate communication and linkages between various systems. The school social work program of private schools and municipal schools in India represent features of this model. School community pupil model. This is the fourth one. Okay. The school community pupil model focuses on group of pupils which help them use learning opportunities by bringing about change in the interaction pattern of school community relationship. The goal of school social work program is not to target the school or the community, but to identify group of students which have problems of underachievement or deviancy or truancy or dropout or absenteeism. The school social work program undertaken by New Delhi Municipal Schools follows this model. The social worker targets the definite group of pupils who did not enroll in school or were potential dropouts. Now, what is this concept of social work in other education institutions? Social work in other education institutions. We will finish in 5 minutes and then you can go back and read. The competencies of social workers can be used not only in formal school setting but also in other education settings such as special schools for handicapped, non-formal classes for street children, or in adult education programs. So there are special schools. I don't know if you have heard of special schools. Special schools for disabled, special schools for children with cerebral palsy, special schools where children of a particular group who do not have access to mainstream schools, where mainstream schools do not include such children, because such children have to depend on special educators or specialized professionals to attend to their needs. Someone who's a disability rights activist, someone who's a disability rights specialist. Like I told you yesterday or day before, that there's an organization called Yes You Can. Yes You Can. So one of the leading people in that organization, she's coming to my weekend classes. She's doing MSW. But she and her husband are running an organization. They themselves are suffering from cerebral palsy. But because they are very concerned about the disabled population, they are running this organization. So please read. I think I wrote in the chat also this, otherwise I'll write again. Yes, you can. So this aspect of social work needs to be understood and incorporated by us. The goal of social worker would vary in accordance with the needs of the learner and the social realities surrounding them. The social worker supporting people with disabilities requires special knowledge of disabilities and legislation governing the learner's rights. The work of the social worker can range from preparing social and developmental history of the learner to provision of support and resources to teachers and parents to enable the learner derive maximum benefit from education. The social worker associated with non-formal classes for the street children, for example, may have to deal with special issues concerning these children's mental health. They may lack adequate food, clothing, and supportive environment. The challenges of violence, deviance, crime, or sexual abuse may also have to be dealt with. So, where we started 2 hours ago with child abuse, and now we are concluding today's session with sexual abuse related to children with disabilities and children who are living on the streets. So, we will return tomorrow at 3 p.m. my time, and I hope that you will read, because only 2 more classes are left of this course. I've tried very hard to introduce all the aspects which are listed in your curriculum. I'm grateful to IGNOU Bhubaneswar, Professor Panigrahi, Dr. Tripathi, and his entire team for facilitating this process. Again, I'm requesting all of you to start reading and brushing up and educating yourself adequately so that you are well informed professional social workers by the end of this course. Tomorrow, I will request all students to speak up and day after last day give feedback. Thank you for your patient listening. Take care and see you tomorrow on time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
madam. Thank
Thank you. Take care.
you. Bye-bye.